The former Loughborough MP insists the underlying principles of PFI are good. Here's our health correspondent, Rob Sissons.
Stephen Dorrell, Britain's youngest MP when he was elected in 1979. Back then he was a keen tiger moth pilot. Little did he know he'd reached the dizzy heights of frontline politics. His political journey as Loughborough's MP led him to become Health Secretary in 1995 under Prime Minister John Major. Mr Dorrell had cutting red tape NHS bureaucracy in his sights.
Any large bureaucracy is subject to waste and all the normal frustrations that we all know exist within a large bureaucracy. So I'm strongly in favour of looking to minimise that.
The build-up to one of his Tory conference speeches was followed by BBC's Breakfast News.
I am a bureau-sceptic. It was a bit of a joke, but not probably one of my best either.
Stephen Dorrell describes himself as the godfather of PFI, the controversial private finance initiative. It's where commercial firms are brought in to fund, build and manage public construction projects. He promoted it, New Labour continued it. But at some hospitals like King's Mill, it's blamed for debt. Are the problems your fault?
Well, I don't accept responsibility for every decision that was taken by my successors, obviously. But I absolutely do accept responsibility for promoting the proposition, which I still think is the right proposition, that in the delivery of public services, you'll get to the best answer if you look for opportunities for partnership.
A supporter of the NHS, he warns it's all too easy for politicians to write speeches about NHS values. Delivering them, that's the tricky bit. Rob Sissons, BBC East Midlands today.
A new electric bike scheme is coming to Derby. It'll be the largest of its kind in the country, with hundreds of bikes available across the city. And today, people are getting a chance to try them out for the first time. Among them is Elise Chamberlain, who's in Derby's marketplace for us now. Good afternoon, Elise. A perfect day for a bike ride.
Good afternoon, Simon. Isn't it? Yes, these are 14 of the